Navigating the world of health insurance for your family doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps to secure the best coverage. First, assess your family's unique coverage needs. Think about existing health conditions, regular medications, preferred specialists, and any upcoming medical procedures. Are there any family members with chronic illnesses? Do you anticipate needing maternity care? Identifying these specific requirements is the foundation for choosing the right plan. Next, establish your budget. Health insurance premiums vary significantly, as do out-of-pocket costs like deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance. Determine how much you can realistically afford for monthly premiums and consider what you can comfortably pay if unforeseen medical expenses arise. Now, let's talk about the provider network. It's crucial to ensure your preferred doctors, hospitals, and specialists are included in the plan's network. A PPO plan typically offers more flexibility, allowing you to see out-of-network providers at a higher cost, while an HMO often requires you to stay within its network for services. Understanding plan types is key. Health maintenance organizations HMOs usually have lower premiums and require referrals to see specialists. Preferred provider organizations PPOs offer more flexibility, tend to cost more. Exclusive provider organizations EPOs combine features of both, and point-of-service POS plans give you options for in-network and out-of-network care. Finally, compare the details of different plans. Look beyond the premium. What preventative services are covered? Are prescription drug costs reasonable? What are the annual out-of-pocket maximums? By carefully reviewing these elements, you can confidently select the health insurance plan that best protects your family's health and finances.